Hey, I was just cleaning up. I had a little event last night for some friends online, and I made a couple of arrangements for them, and I just wanted to show them to you while I had the chance. And so we brought the camera closer the other day, and everybody really liked that. And this is something that looks good close up. So I'm going to move the camera around and just show it to you real quick, okay? We're just going to come up here closer like this. So we did a little thing on floating flowers last night. And so here's the floating flowers. And it's just a bowl. I put some gravel in the bottom of it, and then I filled it up with water, and then we just put our flowers in there. I've got some stock blossoms in here. I've got the little, I'm going to pull that out from under there because maybe that's going to look a little prettier. There we go. I come down a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So we've got a Gerber daisy. We've got a butterfly ranuncula. They're over here in this arrangement right here. So, we used a Gerber daisy, butterfly ranuncula. I cut off some stock blossoms. They look just like tissue paper. And then a couple of little green button pom-poms and a couple of the spray asters. If you wanted to do it smaller, you could do it in a little bowl like this. This is just a little bias bowl. I love this bowl. It's from our friends at Arcadia Garden Products, and it's so cute. But there I've just got one of the butterfly ranunculus and a carnation floating down inside there. And I think it's fun. I know it's daytime right now, but it was nighttime when we were doing this last night. And so, you could put couple little votive candles out if you wanted to do something like that. That would be cute. But I also love a floating candle inside this one. Oh, let's see if I can get it lit. There we go. So that's fun. What a fun little way to have you throw a few flowers together for a quick centerpiece over, for something. Somebody's coming over, or if you want to have a little romantic dinner or something, grab a few flowers out of your arrangement over here, just clip them out of there, float them in a little dish, and you've got instant centerpiece. Really fun and really sweet. So that's all I wanted. I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was fun, and it was just so cute last night when we were working with it. And I think it's a pretty fun idea for us. So enjoy. I'll see you later. Bye bye.